You're gonna love the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Answer the call to adventure in refined luxury in the Grand Cherokee. It brings rugged versatility, advanced safety features, and passenger-focused technology along on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, keyless start, heated mirrors, V6 cylinder engine, wood grain interior trim, fog lamps, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.